It was time to add water to my Minecraft-inspired voxel game, and to start with, I just got these solid blue blocks to take the place of where water should be in the future. Quickly after that, the next thing I did is I lowered the height just a little bit so it's slightly offset by 2 pixels worth from the surface of other blocks. It would look really funny if it was perfectly level, so this just kind of gives some more depth to it. Then I decided that I wanted the water transparent, so I switched the material to be supportive of transparent, but you can see here that kind of broke everything else and had some really unwanted and weird effects. The reason for that is that they're both using the same material and the same shaders, and that's just not really the great way to do it, so I decided to swap that out. I actually decided to rewrite a big chunk of the code and make it so that way the water uses a separate material and shader altogether, and that worked well, but due to a typo, I accidentally replaced the grass blocks with glass blocks, so I thought that looked pretty cool and wanted to throw that in here for a second. Other than the glass, it was actually working properly. However, the sides of each individual water block you can kind of see there is also actually showing as well. So I went ahead and made that change and had a slight hiccup where it still showed the chunk borders like here. One more quick fix though, and that was taken care of right away. So now, end result, we have this really cool looking transparent blue water that spawns naturally and makes these awesome looking lakes. It's surrounded by sand as well. And next up, I think I'm going to be working on breaking blocks, and then a little after that, adding some more vegetation. I know I want to have trees and forests and all sorts of stuff here, but just baby steps and bit by bit as I make progress.